Hello children. Now first glance mathematics. So what is our topic? Subtractions. Say subtractions spelling. SUBTRACTIONS. Subtractions. So what is the subtraction, children? All you know? So in previous class too we already planning some subtractions. See you children. So I am showing one example to subtract the following. Subtract the following. What is this? 1. I have 10 balls. I have 10 balls. So how many balls I have? 10 balls. I have 10 balls. But my brother came and taken 5 balls. He was taking 5 balls. So how many balls he is taking? 5 balls. So total how many balls having? 10 balls. So how many will be taking my brother? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this box I am giving this many only he was taking. So how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 10 minus 5. So how many balls are remaining with me? How many balls having remaining with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 balls. Suppose children. I have 2 chalk pieces. How many chalk pieces I have? 2 chalk pieces. 1 chalk piece is fall down. So how many chalk pieces with me? Now only 1. So remaining 1 fall down only. Subtraction. So remaining this one only having with me. Only 1. Suppose I am showing another example also. A plant has 3 flowers. A plant has 3 flowers. My sister is taking 1 flower. She plucked it. So then తీసేసింది. ఈ 3 flowers నుండి 1 తీసేసింది. She was taking 1 flower. So remaining how many? 1, 2. So total how many flowers having here? 3 flowers. And how many will subtract? 1. 1 only subtract. 1 only she is taking. 1. 3 minus 1 equals to remaining 1, 2. 2 flowers only remaining with plant. So So are you understand, children? So now I am giving numbers. Draw all of you. Draw in your notebook and write like this. So write all of you, children. So are you completed? So next one, I am giving another example also, children. You have 5 mango fruits. You like mango fruit, children? Suppose you have 5 mango fruits. Your brother is taking 2 mangoes. So your brother is taking 2 mangoes. So how many remaining for you? How many mangoes are remaining? So total how many mangoes having first of all with you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 mangoes only having. Your brother is taking 2 mangoes. 2 mangoes only he was taken. So remaining, how many mangoes are there with you? 1, 2, 3. So here concept 5. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. In this 5 to 2 will subtract, will do it means remaining 3 only. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So right, children, this is also right. So next one. Sorry, completed? Okay. Are you understand, children? So now I am giving numbers directly. Four minus 1. So this is like only giving and doing the subtraction. Which like we are doing subtraction? 4 minus 1. So you are not given any picture or anything. So you only draw. So here 4. How many are here? 4 only. So I am taking some fruits. 4 fruits. I am drawing only here. Doing drawing. So how many? One. Here which number having that many only I will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this 4 to how many will subtract here? Only 1. 1 will subtract. So I will cut it. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 will remain. So write here 3. So are you understand, children? The concept subtraction. Suppose 2 minus 1. So here also you are wish. You are taking mangoes or you are taking whatever you want. Whatever you have that you only take and do the subtraction. So here I am taking balls, 2 balls. So how many? The up number is what? Which number having? That number only. That number to count. Draw that many only. Okay. Whatever your figure you draw. Up number, which number is there? That many only you draw. So here how many? 1, 2. So 2 balls. I am drawing the 2 balls. So how many cut it here? Minus. This symbol is this subtraction symbol. This is called minus. Minus 1. So 1 will cut it. So remaining only 1. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the answer 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So this is also same, this is also same. So are you understand children the concept? So next one, write in your notebook this. 3 minus 2. So you only try this. 3 minus 2. So now I am taking trees. Small trees I am drawing there. So 3 trees. In this 3 2 will subtract 3. So up number is which number is there, that many will draw the pictures. So here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 will draw again. So down which number is there? 2. So 2 will cut it. So remaining 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So listen children, in subtraction, so up one is big number, down one is small number, having means only subtraction is possible, is directly. Are you understand? Up number is big number, down one is small number, having means only subtraction is possible. Directly possible. Okay. Five minus 3. So I am giving simply wrong. So 3 will cut it. 1, 2, 3. So remaining 2. So write in your notebook to children, write all of you. Are you understand the concept? Okay, suppose I am giving another example also. Fifth one. Eight minus 8. So M line will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 lines will run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many will cut it? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So anything is not there. So nothing. So 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So all will subtracted only. So 0. So are you understand children? Practice well. So in next class I will giving another examples too also. I will explain clearly. So practice it children, subtractions. So write this and take another examples too also. You do the subtractions.